The road is a shared space where lives intersect in motion. Every day, thousands of people travel on highways, whether behind the wheel, on two wheels, or simply on foot. But this same setting is also the stage for tragedies that could have been avoided. Traffic accidents aren't just statistics. They are interrupted stories, shattered families, and dreams lost on the asphalt. Often all it would take is a little more attention, a lighter foot on the accelerator, or a more careful look before crossing. But haste and distraction speak louder. Speeding is one of the greatest dangers. Some drivers treat speed limits as mere suggestions, believing they have full control, until the unexpected happens. A child running into the road, an animal on the highway, or a car braking suddenly. The higher the speed, the greater the risk. A single moment of carelessness can change everything. Pedestrians also face risks. Many assume that being on foot makes them safe, but the law can't stop an out-of-control vehicle. Crossing outside designated areas, walking too close to traffic, or getting distracted by a phone can be deadly. Distraction is a silent danger. Just 2 seconds glancing at a phone is enough for tragedy to strike. Drivers and pedestrians must always stay alert because the road shows no mercy for mistakes. There's no magic formula to prevent accidents, but small actions make a difference. Respecting speed limits, staying focused, and practicing patience can save lives. Road safety depends on everyone. An accident is rarely just bad luck. There's almost always a choice behind it. Rushing, not waiting, ignoring the danger. Next time you press the accelerator or step onto the street, remember, no hurry is worth a life. Drive carefully, walk attentively, because everyone deserves to make it home.